Hey guys, it is Jack Doherty Jr. back with another video. Today we're gonna be doing random noises and fake sneezing loud, really loud. Shoot worker. Here we go. I'm gonna fake sneeze right now. Achoo! Oh shoot. Oh shoot, she is right there. Chew! There's so many people around here. Oh yeah, and like and subscribe. And subscribe to Jack Doherty. He's the best YouTuber, I'm not kidding. I want to be him though. Subscribe down below, leave a comment what you think my next video should be. Chew! There's our workers all around. I'm just going around the store. There's a person right there, but I don't want to come through right there. So here we go. I'm gonna smack this right here. Down. I am the best YouTuber ever. No, Jack is. Jack.Doherty is. Go follow him on Instagram at Jack.Doherty with 2 Y's and Jack.Doherty on his Snapchat. I'm gonna start doing like videos like him. I'm not trying to copy him, but I would do videos like him all the time. I'm about to just scream. Workers are following me for some reason. Oh shoot, I thought they were. Back to the... Dang, there's people in everything. I'm not kidding. Oh wow. I'm gonna grab a football and just throw it. Got it right here. I'm gonna just throw it at like a thing. I'm just throw it right now. Oh no! I'm not gonna grab it. The lady in that aisle is the person who cooks my food at school. She cooks our food. It's crazy. Dang, bro. I don't know what to do. The camera's recording me. I'm on mine too. Shoot! Buckets. Look at that, I'm skilled. I'm probably the best QB in the world. Watch me. Man, here's my size bike. This is my size bike. Look at this. It's lit. I need training wheels. I don't actually. I'm just riding this. And I'm not. This bike is harder. Other bike. Fudge. Oh fuck. Hundred times. I never had this one before. I have not noticed how oh yes. Oh baby, a triple. Look what I found. What? What? Hang on. I'm going to the baby crates. Let's do this. Worker. Right there. I just don't give it in. This. Saying welcome. I have no idea what that is. Watch this. Fake one. Sorry, sir. Yep. Shoot. Okay, I think I'm gonna end it here. That was making a weird noise. I'm gonna finish it off with the. Alright, I'm ending the video. Peace.